What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to add money to your Revolut account. So let's get started. Now, to add money to your Revolut app account, you would just need to first open the app up, and once you're on your home screen, here at the left hand side, you should be able to see an add money button, just like this one. So just go ahead and tap on that. Now, this screen might be blurred by Revolut, but essentially what it says is you can select a payment source and the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. If I tap on payment source, I would be able to choose between a card that I have connected, Payoneer account, Google Pay, a debit card, and so on, or a bank transfer. So here I will just select Google Pay because that's the easiest way and without any fees that we can transfer money from our bank account to our Revolut app. Now, once you selected Google Pay or your preferred payment source, you can go ahead and input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer, and then just tap the transfer button at the bottom of the screen. Once you tapped on transfer, just go ahead and confirm this transfer. And now the transfer has been initiated, and I will receive my funds in a few moments. So essentially, that's guys how you can transfer money or add money to your Revolut account balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.